Hello everyone, I'm going to introduce you to the amazing quilting technique called Sashiko. Before I introduce Sashiko, let me just explain to you a little bit about the history of it. This came from Japan, China, but basically the Orient. And they used to do their Sashiko quilting on very dark blue indigo fabric with a white thread. Now I can show you something similar. It's sort of on dark blue fabric, but it's actually done with coloured thread. What they tend to do is they tend to do their quilting first onto their wall hanging, and then they do their applique on afterwards. So I've just got one or two here just to show you, just to whet your appetite, shall we say.